Hi, I'm Jason Klote, and here is your tutorial for subscribing to the Modern Languages Events Calendar on the Mac. First, start in the Calendar application. In the upper left, tap the Calendars button to see the calendars you already use and the calendars to which you already subscribe. To add the Modern Languages calendar, under the File menu, select New Calendar Subscription. Paste the link that I sent you via email. It's the link that ends with .ics, and subscribe. Now you can set your preferences. The name will appear on the calendar list over here to the left, so let's give it a more interesting name than the email address. Let's call it ML Events. The color sets the appearance of your calendar, and I want it to stand out, so I'm going to change the color to red. For location, if you select On My Mac, the Modern Languages calendar will sync only to this computer. However, if you select iCloud, the Modern Languages calendar will sync with all of your Macs, your iPhone, your iPad, with every device you sync via iCloud. You can ignore the Remove Alerts, Attachments, and Ignore Alerts settings, since we won't send alerts or attachments via the Modern Languages calendar. And finally, Auto Refresh indicates how often the calendar checks for updates. Since we want to stay up to date with departmental events, we'll have the calendar update every 15 minutes. And click OK. Now in the calendar list, I see the Modern Languages calendar, and this icon indicates that it is a subscribed calendar, meaning new events will automatically appear when they're added. Also, I now see Modern Languages events like our department orientation. I can double-click the mouse or the trackpad to see details like the event's location and its ending time. Note that anyone can see the events in the Modern Languages calendar, but you cannot edit them. If you want to publicize an event to the entire department via the calendar, contact me. To hide the calendar, uncheck the box to the left of the calendar name, and the events temporarily disappear. And finally, to unsubscribe from the Modern Languages calendar, right-click the mouse or two-finger click the trackpad. Select Unsubscribe, delete, and the calendar is deleted. If you have any questions or problems, please visit me in Bondurant C109.